Now that you've completed your graph, I want you to go back to page 21 and write these questions and answer them. So on page 21, you write number 1, average MRSA for each country, USA, France, UK, Denmark, and Greece. So find the average for each country and write it next to the name of the country. For number 2, I want you to look at what 2 countries had 55% MRSA resistance in 2007. I want to point something out about your graph to you. If you hover over the graph, it's going to tell you what year each data point came from, and hopefully that will help you in answering question number 2. So you would write, number 2, what 2 countries had 55% MRSA resistance in 2007, and answer it on page 21. Number 3, which country did the best job of keeping MRSA from becoming a problem? So here you need to look at your graph and analyze what it says. Look on there and determine which country had the lowest numbers of MRSA and write down the name of that country. For number 4, I want you to talk about how you think the country that you named in question 4 managed to keep their numbers so low. Think about the practices that we talked about in slowing down and reducing antibiotic resistance. Which one of those practices do you think that country used? Number 5 is kind of the opposite of number 3. Which country did the worst job of keeping MRSA from becoming a problem? Write down the question and write the answer to the question based on the graph. Number 6, what would you suggest the country you named for question 5 do to reduce the numbers of MRSA? And that question is asking you what types of things work best at reducing antibiotic resistance. Feel free to come up with something that you think needs to be done as well based on the research that you've done into antibiotic resistance. After you have completed writing down these questions and answering them in a thoughtful and intelligent way, I want you to go back to your spreadsheet, and for you, right here, there should be a button that says Turn In. Please turn in your spreadsheet. I will print your spreadsheets, and they are what will go on page 20. After you have completed answering these questions on page 21 and turning in this document by clicking on the Turn In button, I want you to put away your Chromebook. Please make sure that it gets in the correct place and plugged in. Have a seat and read a book. Thank you.